3, 2, 1.
Start.
Sit cross-legged comfortably, keep your back straight, your chest slightly pushed forward, index fingers and thumbs together. Place both palms face up on the pillow and slowly close your eyes, closing all your senses. Just focus on breathing. Relax from the top of your head, relax your eyes, relax your cheeks, relax your jaw, and relax your entire face. Relax your shoulders, relax your entire arms, relax your chest, abdomen. And finally, relax your whole feet. Now relax your mind and focus on your breathing, holding here for a few minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring consciousness back. Take a deep breath. And exhale. Bring your hands up before your chest, rubbing your palms warmly. Then gently press your palms to your eyes, feeling the warmth of your palms spreading. Continue to rub hotly again. Rub your palms very hot, then apply both hands to your eyes, gently massage your eyes, blink in your palms. Slowly move your hands away from your eyes, and follow your hands, both hands clasped on the forehead and down to the chest. We greeted each other. Namaste.
Ready.
Press your
Go.
toes into the mat. Inhale, exhale, press your palms down and slowly raise your hips. Slowly straighten your legs. If your heels can't reach the floor, don't worry, just focus on straightening your legs. Press both hands to the ground. Pull the shoulder blades away from each other and lower. Gently bring your chest toward the floor to feel the stretch in the underarms. Now hold the pose and breathe naturally with your breath. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross knees and return to table pose. Exhale, curling your spine up toward the ceiling. Inhale, arch your back so that your belly relaxes. Notice, we only move the spine here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Inhale. Gently exhale. Inhale. Exhale slowly. Take a deep breath. One more time and then return to the starting position. Keep your hips and knees still. Straightening your arms forward. Slowly lower your chest down to the floor. Hold here and breathe evenly. Note, relax the abdomen and back to feel the spine stretching. Inhale. Stomach swells. Exhale. Pull your stomach back. Take a deep breath. Slow breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Support your hands, raise your head, and bring your body back to the starting position. Take your legs back so that your body forms a straight line so that your shoulders and wrists are in line. Eyes looking straight down between the hands. The fingers are spread wide to reduce pressure on the wrist. Pay attention to tightening the abdominal muscles, thighs, and buttocks. Hold back and breathe evenly here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, slowly lower your legs and return to the starting position. Take a deep breath. Exhale while lifting your hips. Tighten your pelvis and abs to help you stay in the most comfortable position. Exhale, and at the same time lower your hips. Inhale, raise hips and buttocks high and tighten thighs and abdomen. Breathe evenly here. Exhale slowly and slowly lower your hips. Inhale, continue to raise your hips, breathing evenly. Exhale, and slowly lower your hips. Inhale, raise hips and buttocks high and tighten thighs, abdomen, and pelvis. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your hips and relax your body. Your legs stretched out on the floor. Place your hands behind your back, fingers extended and toward your feet, and bend your knees. Leaning back on your arms, slowly inhale and lift your hips so that your hips, shoulders, and knees are in a straight line. Eyes on the ceiling. Note, do not tilt your neck. Hold the pose and breathe evenly here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale slowly and lower your hips and buttocks down gently. Loosen up the body. Place your hands to your sides. Fingers point towards the toes. Inhale. Lift your chest. Keep your back straight, eyes straight. Exhale. Remain here and breathe evenly. Inhale. Exhale. Take a deep breath. Slow breathing. Inhale. Exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Relax your body and return to the starting position. Exhale. Lower your hips to your heels, touching the floor. Hands down along the body and palms facing up. Relax your whole body and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply. Breathe slowly. Inhale and stretch your abdominal muscles. Exhale slowly to flatten the abdomen. Take a deep breath. And exhale. Inhale, the belly bulge. Exhale, flatten your belly. Inhale. Exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Bring your arms forward and come back to table pose.
Ready, go.
Now, lie on your back in the most comfortable position, legs open and palms facing up and down along the body. Slowly close your eyes and relax your whole body. Relax your entire face. Relax your legs, arms, chest, abdomen. Inhale and expand your belly. Exhale and flatten your stomach. Take a deep breath. And exhale completely. Let's get rid of all thoughts of family, work, all pressure. Just focus on the movement of the navel or think about things that make us feel happy. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently move 10 toes, 10 fingers move along. Tilt your head to the right and left with your ear pressed against the carpet. Right hand holding left shoulder, left hand holding right shoulder, moving right and left. Raise your arms above your head, clasp your hands, stretch your spine and gently stroke your toes. Relax and slowly open your eyes, look near, look far, look left, look right, eyes roll around and reverse. Lower your left arm along your body, prop your left knee up, and lie on your right side to rest on your right arm. Prop your left arm in front of your chest and lift your body to wake up, a safe waking position in yoga. Please sit cross-legged, cup your hands. Pat your back. Pat your buttocks and thighs. Squeeze your shoulders with your hands and gently massage. Gently inhale, raise your arms above your head, clasp your hands together, and lower them to your chest. This is the end of our practice session. Thank you. Namaste.